Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got this pickleball paddle from KAVIUS. I'm really excited about it. So let's open it up and let's take a first look at what this pickleball paddle is all about. So as we open this up, we're gonna be greeted with a very nice presentation. And this is actually gonna come inside this really nice bag. It's gonna be USAPA. That's gonna be the pickleball approved standard. So basically they have to go through a bunch of tests to get that certification. It does cost them a lot of money. So to be able to have a paddle that is this affordable and to be USAPA approved is really nice, guys. So this company really does it right with this cover, and I obviously love that because it offers so much protection and versatility. And we are going to get a nice backup set of tape coming additional. And I know this is kind of coming off a little bit weird on camera. I have to say the color. This actually is not purple, although it's kind of looking like that in the camera. It looks to be like a blackish carbon, like a gray almost, like a very like a light black. We're going to have a couple things to note here about this pickleball paddle that I want to go over. So I love the design. It's really nice going all the way through. So this is going to have a T700 carbon fiber surface, which is going to give you that matte finish. And it's also going to make the paddle really light. This paddle is going to come in right over 8 ounces, which is going to be really light. We're going to have the company's logo going on the side, which I do like. It just gives a lot of flair. And this paddle is actually going to have a really nice rubber guard going along the outside that's actually going to have a foam protection in there, which is going to help with control and stability. Also, if you're swinging this down low and you scrape the ground, you're not going to damage anything. All right, so now that I got this wrapper off of the handle, we can actually take a look and a feel of what this is like. So my first impressions of this handle, the handle is actually a little bit longer than most of the pickleball paddles I've been reviewing lately. And this is going to come in at actually 6 inches, a little over 6 inches, I believe 6.1 inches. We're going to have the company's logo going through the wrap, a removable and adjustable piece of rubber here. You can put that in the middle, on the end, wherever you like, and that just helps with sweat protection. But if your hand is a little bit bigger, this paddle is probably going to be really good for you. Or if you just like to have a little bit more leverage, because I have a little bit more of a smaller hand, smaller build. Sometimes I like to hold down here and you can get more leverage on your swing. Or if you want a little bit more control and power, you can kind of choke up on it a little bit. This has a 4 3/4, 4.75 inch circumference on the handle. So it is going to be a little bit thicker. The 4 1/4 is usually what we see for like the women's paddles. That's going to be a little bit thinner. This could be for men and women. I totally believe that 100%. The good thing about this paddle is it actually has a honeycomb core that is going to help improve the consistency, the elasticity, the touch. It's going to help reduce vibration, deliver very, very precise hits all the way throughout your game. And this paddle is actually going to have a very increased sweet spot on it, which is going to help your game, help you get that control, help you get the power that you need. It also does come in at 16 millimeters in width, and that's going to be the perfect size for control, spin, and power. I love that matte finish on the top. That's really going to help with backspin, topspin. If you like putting spin on it, you definitely want to go for a paddle that does have that matte finish. But overall, I'm really loving this, and I love the special touches that they do. This brand really loves putting their logo all over their paddle, and I do like that, and I think that's something that's really special. We do have a gloss emblem on the bottom with the K for the symbol, the logo going around the wrap, again right here, and then we also get the logo embossed here. Don't forget, guys, we also have a very nice carry travel case to keep this really protected and safe. So get out there, go have some fun, check out this paddle. It's really nice. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.